Guys, welcome to Fidget World. So today we are going to play 4 fidget games and I'm going to teach you how to play them. So let's start. So the first game is the fidget board game. How we are supposed to play is we're supposed to roll the dice and the number we're popping, and then whoever reaches the end first wins. So we will play one and show you. I bought these 3 and I'm the winner of this game. So the second game is last one lost. So we are supposed to pop as many as we want but in one row only, and then the person who pops the last one loses. So we will play one round of this. So I won this game because my opponent popped the last one. So next is the pop it game with marble. So first you tell me a number.
12.
So we will put this random and then I will turn the pop it upside down. Then I will pop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It came on 12, so he won. The fourth and the last game is a very interesting game. It's a fidget-trading game. So I throw a poppet and I accept the deal. Then I throw another poppet, add more, okay. Now I throw this. So the fourth and the last game is a very interesting game. It's the fidget trading game. So first, okay, you throw marble meshes. I will throw a Mackie trap. Okay, I accept. Then I will throw a mini poppet. Add. Accept. So these were the 4 games we played in this video: fidget board game, fidget trading, last one lost, and marble game with a poppet. Hope you liked the video, and you can play these games with your friends and family to keep you entertained. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and like my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.